This French onion soup takes no stirring, smells like a steakhouse, and costs less than $2 a bowl to make. Most people spend hours babysitting onions, sweating over the stove, making sure they don't burn. I'll show you how to skip all that and still get that deep, sweet flavor. In 1 hour, you'll have a pot of rich, caramelized onions that taste like this. No joke. And now we just repeat the steps from the last video. It's literally the same recipe, but I love it so much I had to make it again. This is the best part. 10 ingredients, 1 pot, maximum flavor. That's all prepped and ready to go. Now, let's cook. Add the sliced onions, butter, olive oil, salt and sugar to a cold Dutch oven. We're going to cook this on medium heat, but before we do, take a good look at the onions. You should be proud of yourself for not cutting them yet. This is going to be so good. Now cover and cook for about 30 to 40 minutes, stirring once about halfway through. Just let those onions soften and start to caramelize. Don't worry, the low and slow method works even if you think it's too low or too slow. You got this, but I know you need some convincing. So here's a little tip for you. When the onions are almost completely soft, use the time-lapse feature on your phone and record the process. Then when you're done, play it back and watch how far you came from wilted to lightly browned. That right there is 30 minutes of patience looking good, not effort. But we're not done yet because now we get to add the garlic. And that for another 2 minutes. Next, pour in the wine or sherry. If you don't drink, don't worry. Cooking with alcohol doesn't make you an alcoholic. Now reduce that liquid by half. Then add the stock, bay leaf, and thyme. Give it a stir and bring it to a simmer. Here's where the magic happens. The thyme and bay leaf make it taste like it's been simmering for hours. And now just let it go for another 20 to 30 minutes. While the soup simmers, let's prep the baguettes. Slice up the bread and place the slices on a baking sheet. Brush them with olive oil or butter, then toast them in the oven. When they're ready, carefully ladle the soup into oven-safe bowls. We're going to top each one with a slice of bread and then sprinkle on some shredded Gruyère or sliced Swiss cheese. Now broil them for 1 to 2 minutes or until they're bubbly and golden brown. This is what it looks like in slow motion. Isn't that cool? Now for the moment of truth, let's see if it actually tastes good. I didn't even need to taste it. I already know it's good because it smells like a French bistro in here, but we barely did anything. Look at that deep, rich color. And now let's check for doneness. The internal temperature should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit. It's perfect. Now we wait. While we wait, let's get this nice and plated. Oh, there it is, nice and golden. Now the only thing left to do is break the cheese with a spoon. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. If you want more lazy but fancy recipes, hit subscribe. Your taste buds will thank you.